My name is Kamaldeep Kaur. I have 5-year experience.
My name is Ayush and I have 6-year experience in Australian counting.
My name is Akshdeep and it has been 3 years that I started my career. It has been 8 months that I have been working with Felcop, and during this short journey I've learned a lot.
Previously, I used to work in teaching field, but I really wanted to do something which was really aligned with my educational qualifications. So I think Australian financial planning was the best fit for that.
Why particularly Australian is because I thought I will gain useful insights about the Australian financial market and their unique rules and regulations.
Since childhood, I really enjoyed challenges and decided to pursue my career in accounting.
There are so many challenges like GST and FBT. I love my work because the Australian jobs are very hard and I love the challenging jobs. It's my favorite part of my job.
India has changed so very much. It has shifted to healthier balance, different people from different parts of the country. Very good to talk to different people, like knowing them about their culture. It brings healthier environment.
A lot of job opportunities are available here, and the outsourcing which the other countries are doing to the Indians, that is giving us more opportunities to learn more about their culture and grow learning their knowledge as best.
In the last 5 years, I have seen a very drastic changes in the organization, or I can say in the HR profession roles. Organization doesn't take employees as their assets. Staff wants recognition and appreciation from their employees. The more we appreciate the employees, the more we get as above from the expectations.